I found a crypto trading platform where we can be trading crypto on daily basis, and this comes with free daily signal. So right on this update, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I trade on this platform called ByTrading. So if you are here with me and you are in with me right on this particular trading review, make sure you stick around and make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. If you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I have a new video. So guys, without any further ado, let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial. So just like I said, this platform got free trading signal platform for us, and they give signal on daily basis. So right here is my screen. If you can see right here, from what you can see right here on my screen, you are going to be seeing there are a lot of signal that is given right on this channel. Lot of signals from what you can see right here, and this is how they give daily signal to all their users. So that means if you are really interested in trading on this platform, you as well, you'll be able to join their signal platform without paying a dime. Okay, so from what you can see right here, you see they give signal right here on daily basis, and they give about 3 different signal sections. The first one starts around 9 a.m. Nigerian time and it ends around 10:30 a.m. Nigerian time. The second section starts around 2 p.m. and it ends around 3:30 p.m. And the last one, which is the last signal for the day, starts around 5 p.m. Nigerian time and it ends around 6:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you are watching this video from Nigeria, take note of this time and you can start taking signal right on this ByTrading platform for free. Okay, so let's dive straight right onto the platform and you will see exactly how you can make use of this particular trading platform. This trading platform actually consists of 2 major crypto, which is the Bitcoin trading platform and the Ethereum trading platform. So everything we are going to be talking about right here is on BTC trading and also on Ethereum trading. So those are the 2 signals they give right on this platform. So let's proceed. Now this is how the platform looks like. You see, this is ByTrading, where dreams begins. So right here, if you can see this one right here that says BTC 28, look at it right here, BTC 28. So if you click on this BTC 28, you are going to be seeing everything related to this BTC trading. Okay, so right on the signal platform, they give signal on odd, on small, on even, on small even, and so on and so forth. So we are going to be following the signal platform to actually carry out a trade right on this platform. But before I take you back to the signal platform to decide which of the trading we want to go for, right, I'm going to be showing you one important thing. And right here, when you come to the home page, you are going to be seeing we have this area that says calculator. Look at this area that says calculator. So this calculator right here is very, very important. This is like a risk management. So from what you can see right here, you see we have different stages, and we are from stage 1 up to stage 8. Now what does this mean? This stages is telling us that we can actually split our money into 8 different places. Instead of using all your funds to trade at once, you can just split your money so that you can minimize your risk. Okay, so for an example, on my account right now, I have about $380. I think I have about $390 right here on my account. I'll just come right here to where it says 1,000, right? So once I click on this 1,000 right here, I can decide to edit the amount I want to be trading with. That is my total trading amount I have on my account. I can decide to say I have $300 right on my account right now. This is 300 USDT. So right now I just type in 300 USDT right here. So right now, from what you can see, this calculator has splitted my $300 into 8 different places. And if I want to trade right now, I'm going to be starting with this first one right here, this period 1. I'm going to be staking with this amount of money. If I lose on stage 1, I will move to stage 2. If I lose on stage 2, I will move to stage 3. So that is how I will do it up to like stage 8. Although it's very rare for you to lose straight from one stage to the stage 8, but it is very possible. This is trading, anything can happen, right? And one thing I also love about this platform is that they are going to be compensating us if we lose from stage 1 up to stage 8, and if you are using the Signup platform, let me repeat that. It means if you lose from stage 1 up to stage 8, they are going to be fully compensating us all the total amount we have used to trade from that stage 1 up to stage 8, right? And one thing you need to understand is that for you to be able to get this compensation, you must be trading using the Signup platform. If you are just trading ignorantly on your own and you lost from stage 1 to stage 8, they might not compensate you. So I will advise you trade using the Signup platform so that you can be eligible for the compensation in case you lost from stage 1 up to stage 8. Okay, so that is for that. Now, this video is never a financial advice. I'm just giving you the tips and what I've encountered while trying to trade on this ByTrading platform. So make sure you do your due diligence before you start using this platform. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to talk about right now, I'm going to be demonstrating how to trade right on this platform. So remember, based on this calculator, I have to be starting my trade with 0.295 US dollar. So what I will do right now, I will just copy this straight up, right? So once I've copied this, I'll go back to the home page. So right here is the home page, and I will come to this one that says BTC 28. This is BTC 28. So right here on this BTC 28, I'm going to go for the 5 minutes. The signal they are giving us is on the 5-minute signal. But if you want to trade, you can as well trade on 1 minute, 3 minutes, or the 5 minutes. But I'm going to be focusing on 5-minute signal because that is what they are giving us right here. So I just selected the 5 minutes right now. This is 5 minutes right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is for me to go back to the Signup platform and check which signal I'm supposed to trade on. Okay, right here is the Telegram Signup platform, and from what you can see right here, they give lot of signals, and from what you can see right here, most of the signal they are in profit while some of them are in loss. Okay, so that is why I said trade with what you think you can afford to lose. This is never a financial advice. Okay, so right now let's assume I want to trade right now and I want to work with this signal that they just gave about a few hours ago. Although this signal is over, but let me just use it to sound as an example and illustration for you to know how to apply the signal where you want to trade. So right now on this particular signal, they ask us to trade on small, right? Look at it right here. They ask us to trade on small. This is small right here. Okay, so if I want to trade right now, I'll just go back to the platform. So right here, this is the platform, and I want to trade based on what they ask us to trade on small. So what I will do, I will just come right here to where it says small. This is small right here. So I'll click on small right here, and right here I will paste the amount the calculator gave to me. So let me paste the amount right here. This is the amount I want to be staking with. Now I'm using this calculator to reduce risk. I can decide to trade with $1, $2 is fine, but I don't want to take too much risk right on this platform. So I want to trade based on the calculator that was given to me and the 8-stage split that they gave to me. Okay, so I'll come right here and click on trade. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click on confirm, right? So you see purchase sources. So the next thing we're going to do once you have initiated a trade is for you to wait for the time to read down. Once the time is over, then you are going to see the result of your trade. Very easy. So you can come right here to see your order. Look at this area that says my order right here, but the trading result is almost out. Look at it, it's counting down. Once you see that this countdown is showing on your screen, just know that the result will soon be out. Okay, so let's wait for the result of this particular trade and let's see if I'm in a profit or loss. So let's wait for the result. The time is still counting down. I'm on the 5 minutes. Sorry, I'm on the 5 minutes. Okay, the 5 minutes still have more time to read down. There's still more time. So look at the time. The time is counting down. So I have to wait for this time to count down before I can see the actual result. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll just pause or forward this video so that we see if I was in a profit or not. Then we'll know what next to do from here. Okay, so stick around, guys, and if you are watching this video up to this level, you are yet to like this video, you are yet to subscribe to this channel, and ensure you turn on your notification bell. The link for you to register right on this platform is going to be right on this video description, and this guy got a lot of bonuses for everyone that actually register, trade on this platform, and refer people to trade on this platform. There are a lot of bonuses for you. Okay, so check the pinned message or the video description for you to see the registration link, and you can join all our social media platform as well for you to know what is really going on, because I'm going to be carrying out a live trade right on this platform, on all our social media platform, the WhatsApp or the Telegram community. Okay, so guys, while we are waiting for the result of this particular trade to be over, let me show you some previous trade I've done right here on this platform. So you see this one, this particular one, I made about 39 US dollar right here. Look at it right here. This is the current one I'm waiting for right now. So while we are waiting, let me quickly show you how you can actually deposit right on this platform. For you to deposit, come right here to where it says the home page, right? Click on the home page. Once you click on the home page, just come to this area that says mine, right? Come to this area that says mine. Once you come to this area that says mine, you are going to see we have this area that says top up, right? Look at top up right here. So once you click on this top up right here, you'll be able to actually fund your account. Very easy. You can be funding your account from as low as 10 US dollar up to any amount of your choice. Okay, so just top up using any of the available options. We have the TRC20 USDT, we have TRS, we have NGN, and we have PKR for those living in Pakistan. So use any one of your choice to actually top up on this platform. Okay, let's assume I want to top up using NGN. I'll just decide to enter the amount of NGN I want to top up with. I think you can be topping up with as low as 5,000 using NGN right on this platform, but the minimum I can see right here is actually 15,000, but I think you can try 5,000 and see if it's going to go through. Okay, so that is for that. Now I think we should go back to the platform to see the outcome of the trade. So the same way you top up, that is the same way you can withdraw your earnings on this platform. If you want to withdraw your earnings, just come right here to where it says withdraw right here. Once you click on withdraw right here, you have to bind your account. Make sure you bind your USDT TRC20 account right here for you to be able to withdraw your earnings. And if you want to use fiat currency, that is your local currency, make sure you also bind your local bank account right here for you to withdraw your earnings. Okay, so it is that easy. But also note, when you are withdrawing your earnings, there is a charges, that is the gas fee. They are going to be taking $1 US as their gas fee anytime you want to withdraw. Okay, so be aware of that. So that is for that. By now the trade should be over, and let me go to BTC 28 and let me go to 5 minutes right here, and let me go to my order right here. So from what you can see here, guys, I actually won this particular trade, right? Look at it right here. I stake with this particular amount right here, 0.2 US dollar if I'm correct. Look at the amount I stake with. This is the amount I stake with right here, and I got in return 0.57525 US dollar. So this is how simple ByTrading is, and you can follow this method to actually check out how this platform works. If you think you have one or two questions, ask me in the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. Use the link right on this video description or the link right on the pinned message to register using my referral code. And remember, there are a lot of amazing bonuses for you. They have first time deposit bonus, they have a lot of trading bonus. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. You can actually see this video right here or see this one right here to learn more way to make money right in the crypto space. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.